Today, we are going to show you how easy it is to personalize and order a set of 6 coasters. Visit our website at www.ormsprintroom.co.za. It is essential to firstly register an account before starting your project. Click on My Account. This will open the option to log in or register. Fill in your email address and a password in the Register section. Then click on Register. I am going to choose to log in because I have already registered an account. On the left, you will find your account options. This is where you will access your saved projects in future to edit them or reorder completed projects. Now you can click on the Photo Gifts tab and then click on Coasters in the drop-down menu. Our coasters have a glossy finish and are available in round or square format in sets of 6. Your set of coasters can have 6 different designs, and you can have the option to order multiple copies of the set in the shopping cart. Let's start creating. Choose the format you prefer, round or square. Please give your project a name by clicking on the pen icon at the top of the design workspace. Now you will need to add the images you would like to use. Click on Computer and select the images you would like to use. Now simply drag and drop the images onto the 6 coaster templates. Now you can click on the center of each coaster for additional editing options. Move your image and position it on the coaster, or zoom in or out to crop it. There are rotation or flipping options and the option to change your image opacity, as well as some photo effects to choose from. You can also add text by clicking on the Add Text button. When you have finalized your designs, click on the Preview button to check them, and when you are ready, click on Order. You can now go and create additional items to add to your cart, or you can choose to check out now. In the shopping cart, you can order multiple copies of your design. If you have a voucher code, it can be applied now. If you would like us to ship your order to you, you can now calculate the shipping fee by adding your delivery address. Your courier fee will now be listed, or you will have the option to change it to a store collection. You can now proceed to the checkout. Please fill in your billing details, and it is important to list a cell phone number and address. These details will not need to be filled in again in future, but can be edited if they change. You have the option to ship to an alternative address. Unclick this if you do not require it. A summary of your order will appear at the bottom of the page. Review your details and click on Proceed. You will now make your payment. Choose to pay by card or secure instant EFT. After payment, you will get prompted that your order has been received with the details of your order and your order number. You will also receive an email with a summary of your order details. Now you can sit back, relax, and our team will do the rest. We will be in touch as soon as your order is ready for collection or delivery.